I'm looking at a website called publicintegrity.org, and they are a nonprofit group engaged in investigative journalism as it pertains to government agencies. They've gone through Coast Guard logs, and right now we have news agencies such as ABC claiming credit for this feat of research. In reality, it is this publicintegrity.org that seems to have broken this story by looking at the primary source information of the Coast Guard logs. And what they have confirmed is that the Coast Guard knew as of April 23rd, which is quite early in this crisis, that this oil leak could be in the 64,000 to 110,000 barrels per day. There's also some word that BP refused to release information that might be proprietary. That's from an ABC source. But it sort of confirms my estimation of this leak. Another confirmation point is the oil spilling out when they were sawing the pipe, the riser pipe, and you can see just the sheer velocity and pressure of this oil leak. Additionally, I have correspondence from Dr. Jern Berninger, who is a chemist, who indicated that at this depth there could be all sorts of interplay between gases, liquids, and basically we could see the compression being so great that the state of material would change, and this would impact the pressure upon release of this fluid that was deep down in the ground. I also have reviewed another video from YouTube which brings into question whether or not some of the floor of the ocean might actually be full of hydrites, which could be subject to expansion and release as well. So there's a lot of complex things going on underneath the ground and underneath this tremendous weight of 5,000 feet of water. But what is truly sure is that we have been blatantly lied to for 2 months, for a month and counting, and blatantly lied to by the Coast Guard and by the federal government to the point of just obscene negligence. Thank you for your time.